everyone, this is Teacher Phoebe and welcome to my channel.
In this video, you're going to learn about the addition and subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Let us recall what are fractions. Fractions represent a numerical value that expresses a part of a whole. Now let us recall similar fractions. Similar or like fractions are fractions with the same denominators. 1/9, 2/9, 5/9, and 7/9 are examples of similar fractions. The denominator of these fractions are the same, so they are considered as similar fractions. Now, what are dissimilar fractions? Dissimilar or unlike fractions are fractions with different denominators. These fractions is considered dissimilar fractions. As you can see, the denominators of the following fractions is different from one another. We have 1/2, 2/3, 3/5, and 4/8. Take note that we cannot add or subtract dissimilar fractions directly. For us to add or subtract dissimilar fractions, here are the steps to follow. First, multiply the denominator. Second, do the cross multiplication. Third, perform the operation. Fourth, copy the new denominator. And lastly, simplify the fraction if possible. Let us get the sum of 5/9 and 1/3. Let's do the step 1. Multiply the denominator. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Step 2. Do the cross multiplication to get the equivalent fraction of the dissimilar fractions. To get the equivalent fraction of 5/9, we are going to multiply 5 by 3 and the answer is 15. To get the equivalent fraction of 1/3, we are going to multiply 9 by 1 and the answer is 9. And now for step 3, we are going to perform the operation. Since the equivalent fraction is considered a similar fraction, we can add now the numerators and copy the denominator. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. For step 4, we are now going to copy our new denominator, which is 27, to our answer. For the last step, we are going to simplify the fraction if possible. Let us get the factors of 24 and 27. The factors of 24 are 24, 1, 12, 2, 8, and 3. For 27, the factors are 27, 1, 9, and 3. The common factor of 24 and 27 is 3. We are going to divide 24 by 3 and 27 by 3 to simplify our fraction. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, the sum of 5/9 and 1/3 is equal to 24 over 27 or 8/9. Let us have another example. 3/4 minus 2/3 is equal to n. Let's do the step 1. Multiply the denominator. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Step 2. Let us do the cross multiplication to get the equivalent fractions of the given fraction. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. For the second equivalent fraction, we are going to multiply 4 by 2 and the answer is 8. Let us do the step 3. Let us perform the operation subtraction. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Step 4. We are going to copy the new denominator 12 to our answer. And for the last step, let us simplify the fraction if possible. Since 1 and 12 does not have common factor aside from 1, we can consider that 1/12 is the simplest form of the difference between 3/4 and 2/3. Remember to add or subtract the similar fraction, just follow these steps. First, multiply the denominator. Second, do the cross multiplication. Third, perform the operation. Fourth, copy the new denominator. And lastly, simplify the fraction if possible. Let us do some practice about what you've learned in this video. 1/5 plus 1/2 is equal to n. The correct answer is 7/10. Find the difference between 4/5 and 2/3. The correct answer is 2/15. And for the last item, what is the sum of 1/4 and 2/5? The correct answer is 13/20. Remember to add or subtract the similar fraction, just follow these steps. First, multiply the denominator. Second, do the cross multiplication. Third, perform the operation. Fourth, copy the new denominator. And lastly, simplify the fraction if possible.
Did you enjoy the lesson? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell on this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye!